Welcome back to the channel. Depending on the game, I'm not sure exactly. May have to speed it up because YouTube likes a certain kind. So, but you never know what you're going to find here. So, what do you say? Let's get into this. Let me flip some dials and turn some levers, and we'll get there. Hang on. That's all right. Here we go. Very nice. Very nice. All right, we're going to keep this view for now. This is a very okay game. Very, very okay. Got a nice sniper scope on it. Oh, what's this? Yeah, that's a tank. What do you say? Let's try to take him out. Let's see here. Till he sees me anyway. I didn't have anything to do with that. That's cool. That's cool. I don't have to deal with them guys right at the moment. That's nice. What happened there? Check this out. I'm going to show you a little feature here. Check out the binoculars on this. And I can zoom right in. Very nice. I'm doing slow so I don't give you a vertigo or whatever. But look at that. Take a look. Oh, look! Look at that guy. Isn't that nice? And that's him right there. Oh, beautiful. Beauty, beauty, beauty. That was a good flop. That's what I do. I gauge him on flop. Oh. Like I said, these guys are smart. Hang on. Where are you, my friend? Where is he at? Bet he's behind that wall there. Let's go see. Can't get there from here. Ow. That was close. All right. Let's try this. Sewer, nice. I don't see him. Do you see him, ladies and gentlemen? Sure, he was here. Oh, see that? Where did he go? That was a good one. Very good. I want to do a med kit here. Why not? There we go. Oh, he snuck right up on me, didn't he? That was... Whoa. More of them. Wow, where are these guys coming from? Last med kit. I'm not going to last very long in this one, I can tell you. There he is. Oh, grenades! Wow, guys. Okay, here we go. Come on, go get it. Very fun game. Very fun. Like I said, these guys are pretty smart, too. think I can. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ominous music. Uh-oh. Let's look around here. Why not? I can take a minute. Ooh. That movement. Somebody with grenades. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, thanks, ladies and gentlemen. That's a good one. Got me. Whew.